Yo, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you guys a quick arrangement tip that will enhance or speed up your workflow. Okay, I have a Groove Agent SE loaded up here with the patterns directly from the pattern here. I just drag and drop it in the project window. Okay, usually when I'm working with MIDI tracks, especially for drums, I like to render the tracks into audio. So for example, the kick, hi-hat, toms, all of this I like to render it as a separate audio tracks. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do it quickly. The normal way to do this is by duplicating this track to another lane, and then you have to for example, if you want the kick, you need to delete all the other notes, so it will only play the kick. This takes time. I have a better way for you guys. Let me show you how it's done. Just click on the MIDI events, press shift, go to dissolve parts. You can select dissolve to lanes, and now I can go to the kick and I can render it. Now I've rendered the kick to an audio track. So this is one way of doing it. There's another way I like to do this as well for chords. Sometimes I like to take the bass line from the chords. So let me add a piano track. Okay, I have this piano track. It's playing C minor 7, A flat major 7, F minor 7, and G minor 7. If you notice, all these lowest notes are the bass notes of these chords. So C for C minor, A flat for A flat major, F for F minor, and G for G minor. And I like to use these notes as the bass line. Okay, so the best way to do this is by choosing all these notes, the bass notes, and go here to channel and change this to channel number 2, or whichever channel that you want. Okay, it doesn't have to be channel number 2. So here when I go down here, this bass track is set to channel number 2. Okay, so I'm gonna just bring this down to this track, and I'm gonna shift right click, go to dissolve part, and here I'm gonna select separate channels, okay, and dissolve it to lanes. When I click on it, I got two MIDI events. One is the bass notes and the other one is the upper part of the chords. So I'm going to delete that because we don't need that. And now I've got this bass added. I'm going to hit play. So without the bass, this will definitely save a lot of times for you guys. So that's it for today guys. If you guys find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to all your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I see you guys in the next video.